Car insurance rate comparison apps pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume insurance comparison apps are either expensive or unreliable. The surprising truth is that many of these apps are free to use and they can save you hundreds, even thousands by showing multiple quotes in minutes. Pricing models vary. Many apps are completely free for consumers because they earn commissions from insurance providers. Others offer premium features like personalized recommendations, claim tracking, or in-app alerts, typically costing per month. The real value comes from comparing dozens of policies quickly without making multiple phone calls or filling out countless forms. For example, using a top comparison app, you can enter your vehicle details and coverage needs, then instantly see rates from 10 or more insurers. Some apps even calculate potential savings if you bundle auto with home insurance or adjust your deductible. Advanced apps use AI to suggest the best policies based on your driving habits, location, and risk profile. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on upfront costs. The real savings come from finding a policy that meets your needs for less money, avoiding overpaying, and discovering discounts you might otherwise miss. Many users report saving 15–30% simply by using these apps to compare multiple options in real time. In conclusion, car insurance rate comparison apps are a cost-effective, convenient way to find the best coverage for your money. Whether you stick with a free version or pay for premium features, these tools empower you to make informed decisions, save money, and streamline your insurance shopping process all from your phone or computer.